sleepless night, all the tears I cried, all the pain I keep inside. I keep asking myself, why? If you had to say goodbye, was it just a dream when you said to me that there is someone new in my life? You couldn't have at least lied.